easy bar Russian twist. All right, so before I start, I will say this can be done with either a straight bar or an easy bar. It doesn't have to be a straight bar. All right, so first things first, get your decline bench set up. Now, get your bar next. Go ahead and get thrown into this guy. 1 foot in, sit down, next foot in. All right, so this is going to be targeting our midsection of the core, and then it's also going to be targeting a lot of the obliques, the side portion of the core. So I like to kind of take an outer grip, something like this. Now from here, you're going to lean back, and that's what's going to activate our core. So slowly lean back. Bam, right there. Tighten up. Now from here, you're going to rotate from your core and let this bar weight carry down nice and far so you're getting a good stretch. So from here, I'm going to think about pulling from my right side. Boom. Think about pulling from the left side. Just like that. All right, now just make sure that your lower back is not touching that, because if it touches that, tension's gone off your core. All right, now I will say you can always start far back, and then as you burn out, you can lean up. All right. All right, guys. That's our decline Russian twist with the easy bar. Whew.